Hello guys, I'm Anu Sharma, your arcade facilitator for the cohort 2, and in this video I'll explain and guide you how you can successfully fill the enrollment form. I'll include all the basics like how to create the account for the cloud skill boost and how to find the referral code. First we have to visit the arcade facilitator website. You can find the link from the description, and we have to click this link here, enroll in the program. And after clicking this link, we'll be directed to this enroll page. There's an important instruction before we directly jump onto the form. You must add this email address in your contacts. You can directly do it by opening the phone app of your mobile and create new contact, and there is no need to fill name and number. Just directly add in this email address. So when you will be receiving the access code mail for the 600 credits, it will not go in the spam and junk folders. And after that you must have a facilitator team and the referral code of them, so that is also attached in the description. You can use it. And we must also have the cloud skill boost public URL. So first let's go to the form. So this is how the form looks like. It is also attached in the description. While opening this form for the very first time after the campaign opens, you might experience multiple captcha verifications and a server error, as many users are hitting the request on the same link multiple times. So server takes time to process all the requests, so there is no need to worry. You can try after a few minutes or few hours. So now you have to use the email address by which you have never made an account on cloud skill boost. I'll show. So this email address is not yet used on the cloud skill boost website, so I'm using this mail address. You also have to use a new mail address or an old one, but that must not be signed up on the cloud skill boost ID. Then we have to click the next button. Here are terms and conditions required, and there is a shipment guideline mentioned that shipment will not be proceeded in these following countries, and it is only available in the following countries. You can read. And there is also few things mentioned that when you click I agree, few details of yours will be shared with the facilitator, so they can mentor you, guide you, and track your progress. If you're stuck anywhere in the campaign, they can check the progress and guide you for the same. So we have to click yes, I accept the terms. Then we have to click the next button. Now it says enter the email address connected with your cloud skill boost public profile URL. So I'll add my email address. And you have to enter your full name, then it's gender, then it's the country. So you can choose anything, it will not affect in any way. You have to choose your graduation year, or if you're graduated then select the respective one. So now it is asking, do you have a referral code from a facilitator team? Then you have to click yes, and the code is available in the description. So now it's asking enter the facilitator referral code. So I'm just copy pasting it. You can either type by saying it, or you can just copy it from the description. Now it asks, do you have an account on cloud skill boost? So no, I'm not having an account yet. So let's visit this URL and create a new account. So I'll click yes, I already have an account with no or few badges. So we have to click on the very first option only, and now I will be coming to this page. What we have to do is we have to click on the sign in button, and we have to click the sign in with Google again. And now we have to choose the email address which is new and never used on this website previously. Why we are doing it so, I'll explain. Again, there is one important page. If you are below 18 years of age, you are not allowed or eligible to participate in this campaign, but still if you are willing to do so, you can manage to enter a valid age which is 18 above. I hope you can understand what I am conveying. Now we have to just complete this captcha part and accept all the conditions. Now it says start learning for free with our innovator program. We have to close this. we need not to have joined this program because we'll be having sufficient credits for the campaign 600 plus, and joining the innovator program might affect our facilitator program journey. So I suggest need not to click the innovators program. Now, where to find the public URL? Once you are signed in on this page, click on the top right my profile icon. Go to the settings page. Scroll down a bit. It says profile public. Click on this checkbox. Update settings. The page will refresh. And now you can see your profile is public. You can click on this link and you can verify that your profile link is public and accessible and you have not earned any badge. Now it comes why do we need a new account? So if we are using the previous account with few badges or points, then it will be difficult to target the highest milestone in the facilitator program for rewards. Or if you are just joining this for learning purposes, it has no matter, but it is advised for higher milestone you must use a new Cloud Skill Boost ID. So we'll click next on the Google form. Now it says the same thing which we have already done in this tab, so need not to read. If you still didn't understood my explanation, you can watch this video again, which is mentioned in the form. It says please share your Google Cloud Skill Boost public profile, and so we have to copy this public profile. You can find it on your settings page. Then we will click the next button. Now it says by completing and submitting this form, you declare that the information provided is true. Yes, I know it's all correct. Then it says you must agree to the code of conduct and you will not follow any prohibited things. Yes, again I acknowledge. What will happen once you submit this form? You will be having a mail from the cloud team for an access code, and by that access code we will be having the access to 600 credits by which we can perform multiple activities on Google Cloud. It might take 24 hours or 48 hours, so you can wait for it, and also just check the spam folders. Even after adding in the contact, it might go in spam because they share the access code in very bulk amount, so it might get flagged. Before submitting this form, just recheck each and everything. I'll recheck my email, that it is manuarcade2@gmail.com. I'll go back. Yes, it's all okay, and all the rest things are correct. So our successful enrollment looks like this, and I've explained where to find the Cloud Skill Boost ID and with the referral code. You can find all the important links in the description. And yes, this was all about the enrollment process. Thank you so much. And once you submit this form, you will be having like this, it is all submitted, need not to worry anything. And if by mistake you have done any error in this form, just fill this form again. Your latest submission will be considered only.